Jonathan Patrick is 5 weeks old today. Show everybody your skills, your tummy time skills. Wow, look at that. Jonathan. Jonathan, look. Oh, you like that toy? Do you want to reach out and get it? Do you want to reach out and get it? Jonathan. JP. Hello. Hi, Jonathan. Hello. Hello, I'm your friend, the giraffe. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Are you talking back to the giraffe? You guys gonna be friends? Oh, look at that little face. Such a cute little face. Oh, excuse me. Hi. How you doing, Pumpkin? Uh-oh. Are you starting to fall? You're starting to fall. All right, let me see what I can... I don't know how the camera works, so let's pick you up. There we go. Okay. Now lift yourself up. Are you gonna roll over? You look like you're gonna roll over. It's okay if you roll over. Yeah. Look how strong his back legs are getting. Are you gonna roll over to your back? What you doing, buddy? What you doing? You want to do tummy time? Now try. Hello. 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 Oh, okay, we're done.